Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and we're going to try an experiment with this Crazy Quilt bundle. Let's open it up. And by open it up, I mean just cut it because I'm not fussing with that. Okay. So I am going to take X number of 10-inch squares, 8-inch squares, and 5.5-inch squares, and see how many squares I get out of this bundle total. I'll start with the 10-inch. I'll move down to the 8-inch, and then go to the 5.5s. So that's the plan. I always want to know how many blocks can you get from a bundle. So we're going to find out, and meet me back here later, okay? Okay, here's the final count. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10-inch blocks, plus 2 8-inch blocks, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5.5-inch blocks out of one neutral bundle, not adding any other fabrics. That is only the one bundle. Okay, plus I have this much left. And if I wanted to be extremely crazy, which I have before, I could piece that into 3-inch blocks. Yes, I am that crazy, but not today. Not today. So I'm gonna go add these to my embroidery pile. I think on these I'm gonna use floss and use like two strands of floss, and then of course, okay, I will join them to make one 10-inch block. And I want to have at least 3 of those. So I'll do more. I'll do more out of the stash I already have. But anyway, that's what you can do with one of my bundles. And I try to make them all so you can have this many. And then there's some math, and then you can figure out how many you need for a full quilt. But of course, you're always throwing your own fabric in on top of that, right? So maybe you get a bundle just to give you an idea. Just to give you some ideas on colors. Or you could buy enough to do a whole quilt. Ask me if I care. That'd be awesome. if and when I have bundles available. So anyway, I'm happy to have these to work on. I'm going to go put them in there in my pile now. See you later.